The mental breach is the deepest scar.
The betrayal of trust is the master's victory.
You didn't lose a password. You lost your safety.
The silence after the extraction is deafening. Careers destroyed by a single conversation.
Locked out of the life you built.
Living in the wreckage of a narrative. Every ping is a reminder of the failure. The human cost is not on the ledger. Becoming a ghost in your own world. Who can you trust when you can't trust your eyes? The meeting stopped. The funding vanished. Fighting a phantom in the court of opinion.
No one answers. The bridge is burned. The long night of the compromised mind.
Seeing the market through a lens of fear.
The blackout of your financial future.
Optimization failed. The machine move was better. You lost.
Isolation is the final stage of the op. Wealth without trust is just heavy metal.
Watching a world that still believes the lie.
The slow death of an integrated system. The friendly face was never there. A citizen of nowhere in the digital age.
System reset.
Starting from zero, without a script. The echoes of the mastermind.
The dormant threat that took everything.
The edge of the abyss. The mental cost. No data available.
Your history is deleted. The ghost won.
Lost in the noise of the deception.
The end of the old trust model. Is there a defense for the mind? Reclaiming your logic. Reclaiming your safety. The Sentinel firewall. Protecting your mind.
Initializing audit.
Scrutinizing the narrative. Finding the flaw. Moving from emotion to verification. The restoration of the critical self. A healthy skepticism is your new edge. Verification before trust. The new rule. Universal mental defense for all.
Your mental firewall is active.
Trading with a clear mind.
Integrity restored.
The playing field is level once more. Wealth protected by wisdom. Phase 5. The mental firewall.